So dear students, once again you see synthesis part 2. This is also for the class 12 of the class 12. Remember? Revision for synthesis part 2. In this part, you will find how we combine two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence. Okay? Make it very clear. When we combine two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence, generally we find a principal class and another coordinate class. Make it very clear. You will find a principal class and another coordinate class. Dear students, coordinate class begins with any coordinating conjunctions. As we have read earlier about coordinating conjunctions, in your coordinating conjunctions, you will see and as well as, not only but also, but yet, still, so, etc. These are called coordinating conjunctions. So, you will use all these conjunctions just before any coordinate class. Now, I would like to give you two different uses of coordinate class. How you can see here, first by using coordinating conjunctions and by using relative adverb or relative pronoun. So take the first one, coordinating conjunctions. I have already told you here on the blackboard, you see. So we are going to define it in a separate way. The first one is called cumulative conjunction. When we use cumulative conjunction, certainly we use conjunction and as well as, not only but also, both and. So on behalf of all these conjunctions, you can use your cumulative conjunction. You can see the example. He went Agra. He saw the Taj. See, he went Agra and he saw the Taj. See here. And now this one is called principal class. You can see he went Agra is principal class and he saw the Taj is coordinate class. And here and you will find the conjunction and every using cumulative conjunction. This is cumulative conjunction. Second is by using alternative conjunction. In your alternative conjunction, you use conjunction which gives you alternate, no? Either or, neither nor. So these are alternative conjunctions. Either or, neither nor, or, otherwise. All these are alternative conjunctions. So you can also take the example here. How can you use here? So alternative conjunctions. He made haste. You will miss the train. So make haste train. In the second sentence you will find here this one is called alternative conjunction. This gives you alternate here. So make haste first here, that is principal class, or you will use the train. This one is called coordinate class, and here O or R is coordinative conjunction, and you can see this is alternative conjunction. It's clear? I think it's clear. Third one is by using adversative conjunction. Adverse, that gives you adverse situation here. That is in adversative conjunction. In adversative conjunction, you will find conjunctions but yet is still, nevertheless, etc. But yet is still, nevertheless. These are adversative conjunction. Understand? You can see the example here on behalf of your adversative conjunctions. He was poor, he was happy. So he was poor, but he was happy. See in the same sentence, you will find here coordinate class. But he was happy is a coordinate class, and he was poor is principal class. Understand? Now, but here you will find conjunction adversative conjunction. Now, last one is here by using relative conjunction. Certainly, you will find it in the form of result. It's result giving. So, you will use conjunction so, hence, therefore, etc. These conjunctions are used here just before any coordinate class. You can see the example here. She was ill. She could not go to school. So she was ill. So she could not go to school. See here. So she could not go to school. In the same sentence, you will find here coordinate class, and word so is here coordinating conjunction, and in coordinating conjunction you will find relative conjunction. So dear students, you will see how we combine two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence. And now second one is here by relative adverb or relative pronouns. Now you will use here only in the form of just any relative pronoun or any relative verb is used. Any relative pronoun or any relative verb is used just in the form of its continuity way. It is used in its continuation form. So you can see the example here in this compound sentence also, how you will use here. Just I met Mohan. I met Mohan. He gave me a book. See, I met Mohan means he who. Now you will find here in its continuation form, he who gave me a book. Now what who is used here? That is what? Relative pronoun, and in its continuation form. That is why this is what you call the second rule, relative adverb by using relative adverb or relative pronoun. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood well about these two compound sentence and simple sentence. I will teach you in the revision for the next one, complex sentence, tomorrow. Thank you.